that's supposed to be like that or not. That's one of the torque converter valves. Here's another one right here. Pushing that in, but it doesn't seem to be really engaging that spring in there very well. That one feels tight, but I don't know if that's how it's supposed to feel. And then this one over here is all gooked up. So this is the removed torque converter that is going back for the core. Yep, for a rebuild, I guess. And I think that is probably broken because this doesn't even, when it pushes on that, it barely even touches the spring.